In this video we solve question about the area under the curve is unity in discrete uniform distribution. So let's start. The probability density function of discrete uniform distribution is f of x is equal to 1 over capital N. 1 over capital N is the probability density function which we need to solve the area, and the range of x is 1 to so on capital N. So now by definition, the formula of area for discrete random variable is the general formula to solve this proof. The general formula for discrete uniform variable is area is equal to sum. Sum sign is used for discrete distributions and the integral sign is used for continuous distribution. Sum of f of x. Now we put f of x, which is 1 over capital N. 1 over capital N, and the range of x is 1 to n. Right here range. X is equal to 1 to n. Now expanding this sum, 1 over n, summation means plus sign, 1 over n, so on 1 over n. Taking 1 over n common, because 1 over n is common in whole equation. By taking common, we left with 1 plus so on 1. These 1 appears n times, so we can write it as capital N simply. Capital N over capital N. By these capital N on numerator and denominator are cancelled out, and we have left with 1. So we proved that the area under discrete uniform distribution is 1, means unity. Thanks for watching. If you like video, then please click on the like and subscribe my channel Statisticians Club. Thanks for watching.